So basically we had an old above ground pool. It was about 15 years old, started leaking. That was right down in the very back corner, lots of trees, lots of debris that would get into the pool. This had fruit trees through here. Basically we got 3 quotes, and what we needed was somebody that was upfront, produced all of the hidden costs, not just digging a hole and putting a pool in, and then we found out we needed this and this and this. So Freedom was able to give us a lot more detail with their quoting. We went right through the buyer's guide, and then when Freedom Pools came out and started the quoting process and to get more details of what our backyard looked like, we went through it together and looked at a lot more information, a lot more of the different colours of the pool, the tile colours, etc. So going to the showroom, it gave us an idea as to what an in-ground pool basically looked like. Apart from seeing it at friends' places, we'd never really paid a lot of attention, and we needed to know the sizing, what we had available. We didn't want it to dominate our backyard. If I was looking to get a pool, I think Freedom Pools would be a really good option for everyone.